My name's Skinner, and this is Skinner's Dose, where I document my daily dose of adrenaline and help you get ideas of different adventures that you can take with me to get your adrenaline pumping too. I love America, and I'm blessed every day to wake up and ask myself, what am I going to do today to get my adrenaline pumping? Thanks so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Well guys, I'm at it again. Oh, fourth set of wheels and tires for the truck. You see, what happened here was I was a little bit sick of the rock chips, and then somebody came along and was willing to give me what I ended up paying for them new. Again, I get a really good deal with everything cost, so I'm not saying that, oh, they paid for what they could have bought them anywhere brand new. No, it's like a $5,000 setup that I ended up getting them for about $3,500. So they got a really good deal. I was only into them 35 or 3,600, so getting a few miles out of them, usage, a couple videos for $100 tops, super good. But the problem is I did not have anything to put on it, so here's what we're dealing with today. Yeah, they bought them right off the truck. So got a new set coming in a couple of days. Just wanted to get this, thought it was kind of funny, document what we're dealing with. I'm currently daily in the Jeep, hoping not to get a ticket, and yeah, chilling here on jack stands. So it's made the tire business a little bit hard, not being able to go grab tires, but the new setup should be sweet. Oh yeah, here it is, ready? Oh, some stalkers, what the heck? Now I'm just messing with you. These are just some loaners so we can go to the tire shop. They need to program the TPMS sensors, get our new wheels and tires on. So luckily there's a guy let me use these. He just got new wheels. I'm gonna use these, roll on out and get our new ones. But for the video, we may as well compare, these are stock. So I'm gonna compare these and the stance and everything with the 35s that we're putting on. Here they actually are sucked in. Well, they're pretty much flush. Maybe have a tiny bit of poke depending on the angle. And then on the front here, same thing. They stick out just a tiny bit, but pretty much nothing. So we'll compare that to the new ones we got. Not bad, but too much chrome on the truck to have those guys. All right, let's see them. Man, those just look so awesome. I love them. The 24 by 12s are probably still my favorite look, but for practicality and daily use, these 22 by 10 hostiles on a 35 right here are so beautiful. I think they turned out awesome. The new 35, 12.5, 22 Toyo Open Country RT Trail. This is their new tire, different than the normal RT. I love the way it looks. So far with about 500 miles on them, they have done so good, but man, this is actually perfect.